Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a text font regular in Adobe Illustrator. Open your Illustrator file. Now click on this type tool, active type option. Now select Windows option and active control option. Now click on this text and dragging your mouse, you can choose a specific text. Now select your font style. You have to choose Arial option. Arial option already selected. Now select here sub font. Here we will find this regular option. Simply select here and make text regular. And see this text make regular. Also make this text regular. Select here regular and see this. Also make this text regular. Yeah. In this way you can change all of this text or a specific text. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.